Welcome to Move Ahead at Home, a collection of instructional videos created to help learners of all ages deepen their understanding of mathematical concepts. My name is Tabor. For the past few decades, I've worked with K-12 schools across the United States as an educational consultant. I'm going to show you how to use just a few resources to play math games that are simple and fun. Plus, they will help your learners get what they need to succeed. The distributive property is the most frequently used property in math. Simply put, the distributive property means you can multiply a sum by multiplying each addend of the sum separately. 3 times 15 is the same as 3 times 10 plus 5. If the brain learns, though, concrete, too pictorial, too abstract, then learning the distributive property with Legos is the best way for the brain to learn and will move all the learners in your home ahead in algebra. This game is perfect for 6th and 7th graders, but since we're using concrete manipulatives, students in 4th and 5th grade will enjoy it too. For this game, each player will need a mixed bag of Legos with a variety of studs on the top. Studs are the official term for these bumps on top of Legos. Since this is a game for middle school students, competition is going to be important. It's one of the primary ways to engage that age child. So adults, get your bags of Legos ready too. Each player will also need a work mat or place to display their concrete answers or Legos. A placemat, a hand towel, a sheet of paper, anything like that will work. And you can separate your Legos building blocks into studs of like number. I've separated some of mine. You get the idea. You're also going to need a set of multiplication fact cards, with one of the multiplication facts being larger. You can make up some of your own or go to my website, glennatabor.com, and download the cards from the game Concrete Distributive Property or from the resources for using Legos with math games. Let's do an example before we begin to play. 3 times 26. Wow. Let me see. I'm going to start, and I'm starting to use that algorithmic procedure, but instead, I know this is 20, and this is 6, and it's 3 times it, so 3 and 6, 3 times 20, 40, 60, 60 plus 6, 12, 18, 60 plus 18 equals 78. Do you see what I did? That's how you play concrete distributive property. So, hands will be on shoulders. You'll turn the next card over. The first person who can show the concrete distributive property using Legos wins that round. How would you express 4 times 16? What do you see? I see several ways to make 16. Do you see this? There it is. 8 plus 8 equals 16. How many times? 4 times. I need one more. Let's see. I have 12. Let's see. And, oh, wait. I have 6 and 2 more. And 6 and 2 more. Now I have 4 times 16. 8, 16, 24, 32. And I have 32 here. 32 plus 32 equals 64. So we said 4 times 16, or 8 plus 8. 4 times. You may be thinking, why do all of this? Why bother with this? Because learning the distributive property concretely will help your students in algebra, in geometry, in Algebra 2, and it will help them use the distributive property for the rest of their lives. Thank you for watching this video. If you like what you saw and want more, visit my website, glennatabor.com. There are over 100 games there you can download, all for free. The games are fun. They teach the concepts your children need to be learning right now. If you have any questions or you'd like to see games for other concepts, please let me know in the comments section below. If you like this game, be sure to click the subscribe button so you'll know every time a new game is added. See you next time as we move ahead at home.